Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome to Faux Pro Sports. Today we are going to be unboxing, or breaking open, I should say, Panini 2021 Certified. 5 cards per box, 10 packs. 5 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. So, without further ado, let's get started. All right. Crack this open. Throw that away. Here we go. Okay. Nothing in the box. Completely empty. Packs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, there's some heft on this one. I think we'll save that to the end. I'll put that on the bottom there for you guys. Give me 1 second. I just gotta look at something here. Perfect. All right. So without further ado, I'm gonna leave these packs here. Pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Oh, right off the bat. DeMar DeRozan, San Antonio Spurs. Here we go. We got Kevin Love, Cavaliers. Very nice Cavs. Here we go. Rookie, legendary signatures, Spud Webb. Congratulations. Spud Webb going to the Hawks. Very cool. Mag that one up for you guys. Big hit. Nicely done. Get that in there, nice. Rookie card. Ramsey, Sacramento Kings. And Mitchell Robinson, New York Knicks, finishing it off. Very, very cool. I'm going to put those cards right over here in the No Funny Business camera. Here we go. Pack number 2. Good luck, everybody. Just getting down to my sound effects. In case we get another super big hit. Starting off, Pascal Siakam, Toronto Raptors. Good hit for the Raptors. Chris LeVert, Brooklyn Nets. Chris LeVert, Brooklyn Nets. Here we go. Blue Wave, Bam Adebayo, Miami Heat. Nice job, Heat. Put that in a case for you guys. Jamal Murray, Denver Nuggets Gold Team. All right.
Ho, 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 ho.
That's right, AF. Let's go Pacers. Let me know what you guys think of these sound effects. We're looking for others. So that was the surprised voice. Finally, coming up, Golden State Warriors, James Wiseman. All right, rookie card, James Wiseman. Those other two were Chris LeVert and Pascal. Put those off to the side. Pack number 3. Good luck, everybody. down. Starting out, J.J. Redick. Nola. J.J. Redick. Nola. Here we go. DeAndre Ayton. Suns. Nice little hit there for the Suns. This is my first time opening a box of these. These are nice cards. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Luka in the house.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Big Luka hit. I forget who has Dallas, but congratulations to Dallas. Number 26, Luka. Get that in there. Nice for you. There we go. Big hit, Luka. Okay, next up, we have Shai Alexander, Oklahoma City Thunder. Nice hit for the Thunder. And finishing off this pack, Kemba Walker for the Celtics. Nice hit, Celtics. Big hit so far. One rookie card. All right. Okay, here we go. Starting it out. Jarrett Culver for the Timberwolves. Nice big hit for the Trailblazers. Carmelo Anthony. These are sweet looking cards, I gotta say. Oh ho 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 ho. Mitchell Robinson, New York Knicks. Robinson going to the Knicks. And oh baby, Josh Green, 2020 Mavericks.
That is how it is done.
Josh Green going to the Mavericks. Very nice looking card. Let me mag this up for you guys. There we go. It's hard to do this with gloves. Finally, Nico Mannion, Golden State Warriors. Nice hit for the Warriors. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have about 6 packs left. I felt something big and beefy in that last one. Let's hope it's not one of those little, like, inserts. Those little cardboard, blank cardboard things that you get. Such a tease. Okay, we're starting things off. Klay Thompson. Golden State Warriors. Following the Warriors is P.J. Washington Jr. for the Hornets. Washington Jr. going to the Hornets. Eric Pascal, Golden State Warriors. Nice little red wave there. Number 27. Here we go. We got Bam going to the Heat. Bam going to the Heat. And finally, Sekou Doumbouya to the Pistons. I'm sorry if I mispronounced his name. I'm just not great with name pronunciations. But nice hit for the Pistons. All right. Last 5 packs, halfway through. Here we go. Okay, here we go. First up is Trae Young, Atlanta Hawks. Trae Young to the Atlanta Hawks. Up next, we got Jamal Murray, Denver Nuggets. Nice little golden card there. And it does look like it's numbered 18 to 99. Yes, 18 to 99. Sorry if you guys can't see that. Or 18? Yeah, 18.99. It's so shiny, everything's reflective. Can't see that. Put that in a super protective sleeve. There we go. Nice hit for the Nuggets. Jamal Murray. Golden team coming up. Phoenix Suns rookie card, Jalen Smith. This guy is jacked. Look at his freaking arms. Jalen Smith, number 10, going to the Suns. Congrats, Suns. Up next is Cole Anthony for the Magic. AFLM, we're still waiting for the Pacers. And finally, Aaron Baines, Phoenix Suns. Okay, 4 more packs. I'm sorry, 4 more packs. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. I think I saw something very big at the back end of this. I may need a nice sound effect. Here we go. All right. Demantis, Sabonis, Pacers. There we go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, baby.
There you go, AF alum. I hope I pronounced your name right. Go. Red Wave. Caleb Martin. Going to Charlotte. Rookie card. Right team, wrong player. Right team, wrong player. Come on. Let's get a ball. I'm going to mag that up for you. All right, here we go. Dallas. Right team, wrong player again. Tyrell Terry. We got an auto. Oh, yeah.
That is how it is done.
Very nice. He's got a nice autograph. Nice rookie auto there for the Mavs. Did I say, yeah, for the Mavs. Thank you. I did right. I did right. That's what I'm being told. Fresh Faces Auto. Get that in there all nice and snugly for you. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. 2 more in this pack here. Here we go. We got Laurie from the Bulls. Markkinen. I think that's how you pronounce it. All right. And this final one for the Magic, Evan Fournier. Sorry, guys. I thought that was Dallas. I saw it really quick on the back end. I saw the black and blue. Nice card nonetheless. All right, 3 more packs. First up, we got Christian Wood. Christian Wood going to the Pistons. Bryn Forbes going to the Spurs. Congrats, Spurs. Red Wave rookie. Trey Jones. Saw something special on that other card. I don't know if you guys saw it. I'm flipping it over. Save that for the end. Okay, here we go. Thunder. Volkovetsky. I think that's how you pronounce it. We're going to call him Alex. All right. I got to get a drum roll sound effect. Because here we go, baby. 2020. LaMelo. We got one.
Oh, yeah, baby.
There you go. Congrats, Hornets. Number 28. LaMelo Ball.
Oh, yeah, baby.
That deserves 2 oh yeah babies. Congrats, Hornets. Got 2 packs left. Just give me a second to put this in the case. That is a sweet card. Look at that. 2020. LaMelo. All right, guys. 2 more packs left. Here they are. Which one should I do? Right or left? I'm gonna do the left. This one feels a little bit thicker. I'm gonna do this one. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Let's go. Let's go. Starting out with Chris Middleton. Sorry, guys. I'll try to hold the cards closer. Chris Middleton. Going to the Bucks. Here we go. Blue. Give me a sec. Aldridge. Going to the Spurs. Congrats, Spurs. Gold team. Sorry. You know what? Before I forget. Safety that one. Here we go. Gold team. D'Angelo Russell. Going to the Timberwolves. Congrats, Timberwolves. Graham, going to the Hornets. A lot of Hornets today. I think this is our 3rd hit for the Hornets. Last one in the pack. Saban Lee, Detroit Pistons rookie card. Congrats, Pistons. All right, final pack. Let's get this going. Final pack. That's enough of that. All right. Here we go. Congrats, everybody. You hit big. Let's end big. Starting out. Donovan Mitchell. Going to the Jazz. Chris Paul going to the Thunder. This is what I was afraid of, guys. I don't think it's a redemption. It's not. It is just that little cardboardy thing. I'm going to save that because I could do some nice reveals with that. So I'm going to save that up here so you guys can see. Nothing on it. All right, here we go. Starting it. Next card up is Ramsey going to the Kings. Rookie card. Congrats, Kings. Martin Jr. going to the Rockets. 2020 Martin Jr. Number 1. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Gotta love a number 1 card. And finally, Flynn going to the Raptors. Congratulations, Raptors. Flynn going to the Raptors. Let's take a look at some of those bigger hits that we got here. Start out with the LaMelo, 2020 LaMelo. Congrats, Hornets. Fresh Faces, Tyrell Terry auto rookie card. Gold Jamal Murray, numbered 18/99. Congrats, Nuggets. And legendary signatures going to the Hawks. Spud Webb. Awesome, guys. Thanks so much for watching tonight. We're going to be trying to do this a lot more. Please follow us at FoPro Sports. Our website should be up within the next day or so, www.foprosports.com. And I think that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great night.